If you have been eating the same breakfast on repeat, you have to try out this recipe because, as you can see, my platter is looking so gorgeous. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and you have to include veggies, proteins, and carbs, which are going to keep you full so that you can enjoy your lunch later. So in this recipe, it's all about a simple breakfast recipe, which is going to turn out delicious, flavorful, because we are going to make a very simple sauce, which is super versatile, and everything is going to turn out delicious. This is a recipe for two, and you'll need some eggs. We have some eggplants, carrots, lots of onions, coriander. I have some black pepper and chili flakes. We have salt, 2 slices of bread, olive oil, white vinegar, avocado, lemon, and oregano, which is dried. So I'm going to start off by placing my eggs in boiling water, and I'll start off by adding in a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to carefully drop in my eggs in the hot boiling water. You're going to cook your eggs to your own preference. If you love a runny yolk, you're going to cook for around 6 to 8 minutes. And if you love hard-boiled eggs, you're going to boil your eggs for around 10 minutes. While my eggs are cooking, I'm going to be making a very simple chimichurri sauce, which is going to take around 2 minutes of your time, and it's super versatile because you can serve over some meat, chicken, or even some potatoes. And in this recipe, we are going to be adding the chimichurri sauce to our eggs. You'll need a blender or a processor whereby you're going to add in 1 small onion. Add in lots of coriander. Add in 2 cloves of garlic. Next, I'm going to add in around half a cup of olive oil. Add in a teaspoon of white vinegar, dried oregano, salt to season, and then I'm going to squeeze in juice of a whole lemon. The lemon is going to brighten all the flavors in the sauce. So once done, cover my blender, then I'm going to blend for around 1 second. I need a little bit of texture in my sauce, so 1 second is quite enough if you're going to be using a Nutri blender. And if you're going to use a processor, you're going to pulse for around 2 to 3 times. Wow, this is how my sauce is looking. So I'm going to transfer to a bowl. I forgot to add in some black pepper and chili flakes, so I'm going to crack on top. Place aside. Then the next step is going to be toasting my bread. So I'll pick a pan, place over medium flame, toast 2 slices of bread, which you can spread some margarine or softened butter to add in a very nice flavor to the bread, but I love my bread with no butter. So over medium-low flame, I'm going to toast the bread for around 20 seconds on each side. 20 seconds. I'm going to flip my bread, and you can see the color is perfect with no margarine or butter. So using low flames is the trick to get that perfect color. Once done toasting your bread, you're going to chop 2 small onions. I'm going to cook a very simple side dish, so you need 2 small onions, I'm going to cook a very simple side dish, so you need 2 small onions, which you're going to cut into half moons. I've already peeled 2 medium carrots, which I'm going to cut into bite-sized pieces. Second toast is perfectly toasted, as you can see. So I'm going to transfer to the plate. Then in the same pan, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Then I'm going to saute my onions, carrots. I'm going to reduce the flame to medium. Toss the veggies. Add in some all-purpose seasoning. Toss. And while everything is cooking, I'm going to add in 2 medium eggplants. Toss all the veggies. As the veggies are cooking, I'm going to check on my eggs, and it's been around 10 minutes. So using a spoon, I'm going to transfer the eggs to cold water. Toss my veggies. You can customize the recipe and throw in any veggies you have in the fridge. Maybe you have some broccoli, cauliflower, some French beans, snow peas, and saute for around a minute or 2 until the veggies are soft. So to season, I'm going to add in a touch of salt. Then I'm going to stir in. The kitchen is smelling so good after adding in the all-purpose seasoning, because we have some garlic, ginger, some coriander. And if you're interested to learn how to make the sauce, you can check the description box for the full recipe. Adding some more salt to fully season my veggies. Toss once more, and as the veggies are cooking, I'm going to peel my eggs. So I'm going to bash on my countertop very fast, then I'm going to remove the peel. And the little salt that we added in the eggs, in the boiling water that is, it's going to help you peel the eggs smoothly. So placing the eggs in cold water is going to cool down the eggs, so that can be easier for you to peel. Easy peasy. Four minutes in, this is how my veggies are looking. As you can see, the eggplant are softened up together with the carrots. So I'm going to serve on my platter, a good portion for one. As you can see, the veggies are not overcooked. They're not oily at all. So now I'm going to add in a nice crunch to my boiled eggs. So I'm going to pick my cooking oil, add around a tablespoon of cooking oil to the same pan that I used to cook my veggies. Then I'm going to spread all this fond on the bottom of the pan. It's going to add in so much flavor to the eggs. So now I'm going to pick a knife, cut my eggs in half. Then I'm going to place the eggs upside down. That is the side with the yolk on the pan. And this is going to create a very nice crunch on the eggs. Fry your eggs for around 45 seconds to a minute, then you're going to flip. Add in some salt, and because the eggs are ready, I'm going to transfer to my plate. To the hot eggs, I'm going to add in my chimichurri sauce, which is going to add in lots of flavor to the eggs. Just look at that. My platter is looking absolutely amazing, as you can see, because the veggies are tender, well seasoned, and so delicious. We have an avocado for those healthy fats, eggs, which add in that protein intake, and for 2 people you need around 4 eggs, or you can double. That is, if you're a gym goer, you can double the amount of eggs. And we have some toasted bread, which is crunchy and pairs perfectly with the avocado and veggies. So I'm going to try out my veggies. Yum. I'm going to go in for some more eggplants because they're so delicious. So yum. The eggplants are tender and delicious, while the carrots add in crunch and sweetness into the veggies. I'm going to try out my eggs. I'm going to drizzle in some more chimichurri sauce because it's perfect. Then I'm going to bite into my eggs. Wow. Wow. We have a very nice tartness from the lemon juice, which makes the chimichurri sauce so delicious. The onions, coriander, the black pepper, the fresh garlic. My oh my. This is a must-try recipe. Bye-bye.